Hey, what's good, everybody? I'm gonna hop into another recap for today. This is the most trades I've taken in a week in a pretty good amount of time. But I think the key to staying pretty consistent in these types of times when you're getting trades, left and right. I think I've taken three or four, maybe four trades this week. I think, and it's not only is it like this today was definitely more discretionary, but the draw on liquidity today and kind of just overall market structure and the idea that I had for today um, really shaped the trade and shaped the day how I wanted it to play out and everything. But the first thing that I really want to get into, and some people might question my trade and my thought process for today, was that we had this new day opening gap, right? Pretty big one yesterday that formed. The only reason I wasn't bullish until this end dog was because if you look at like the higher time frame, like the 4 hour or even the daily, we're in a sell model, right? I mean, let's go to the daily. You can maybe see it a little better. Let's hop back on the 4 hour. So you can see we're in a sell model, right? Not only do we really don't have many gaps like below until we get all the way down, into this low. This is a nice intermediate low, but that's still like over 500 points away, right? So I'm expecting us to just, come down, right? Finish this sell model, maybe even back to this low down here. So I really just want to see us go lower. I wasn't looking to tap into the new day opening gap or anything because that was still over 100 points away and everything. I just wanted to see a nice clean manipulation to the upside, and then hopefully I can catch an entry to the downside. So we'll go into replay. Um, Today there wasn't too many targets uh, or like levels that I wanted to see a reversal off of besides London, but again that's still almost 100 points away, and I kind of didn't really want to wait that long. So we'll play at open. This trade was like 5 minutes into open. We come down, right? We're opening lower. We make this low down here, and we actually end up sweeping this low here. And again, I wouldn't normally target lows that sweep lows, but you'll see in a second. We end up sweeping this 5 minute intermediate high right here. And while we did that, we also put in an internal SMT with ES, and then this is enough for me. I don't need to see more than this. I just need to see my model play, and if we get that inverse with good displacement, I'm in. We form this 2 minute here. Look at that displacement, right? I'm going quick because it's this simple, right? You don't need to dwell on, you know, other other factors or anything. If I get my model, I'm in. That's good displacement. My break even point was this low down here, and that's it. Break even, and then one candle, boom, and that's it. That was literally the trade, like 6 minute trade. Now I could have potentially held a little lower down to this 5 minute gap or whatever the case may be, but for me I'm just looking to get the 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s, whatever the low hanging fruit is. But yeah, this is a super clean trade. Again, a little more discretionary just because of my bias and what I really wanted to see coming into today. But yeah, super good week. There's not much else to go over. The weekend's here now. Detach yourself from the market and everything. Do whatever you gotta do. Stay busy. Stay productive. Come back in Monday. I'm not expecting to take too many more trades for the rest of the year. Again, I thought the same thing coming into this week, but look what happened, right? You can never predict or guess with trading. Always just gotta be reactive, and you get what you get. And after this, we kept dumping, and which kind of completed my what do you call it? My bias even further for today. Look at how far we came down, almost 500 points today, right? Now we'll see next week if now that we start hitting these gaps and lows down here, I really want to see us hit this low here. And then if we want to displace further than that, I'd like to see us go all the way down to these lows to complete that sell model, right? But yeah, again, we'll see. Yeah, well, that's all I got for you guys. I'm gonna leave my my Discord in the description below if you want to get mentored by me and everything, all that good stuff. Then check it out. If not, it's all good. But yeah, I'll catch you boys hopefully Monday if we get a trade. I think we have CPI on Monday, so probably just try to pass some more evals and everything. But yeah, we'll see. Other than that, that's it for me, and peace out.